Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the New Hampshire Great Outdoors. It's a cold morning. 2 degrees out this morning. And sitting there having my morning coffee. Got a notification on my app for my trail cams that one of my cameras, the batteries are almost dead. So like it or not, here I go. Going out there to put some, I get the Energizer Max batteries, but it's just been so cold that, I think it's sucking some of the life out of the batteries quicker. We've had, even for the next 10 days, there's a lot of single digits, low teens. We just had 6 inches of snow the other day. We've got probably 2 more storms, one Thursday, another one Sunday that's bigger. We're going to get over a foot. So I want to make sure these things are fully charged, set up where I'm probably not trucking out here in 2 or 3 feet of snow to go and mess with these things. But I know my cameras went off 6 times since I've last been here. It's a fresh coating of snow everywhere, so any tracks will be fresh. And if I see any, we'll try and figure out what they are and try and set up cameras in a good spot. But stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll add in the videos that I have captured. I just have to download them. I've got 2 cameras. I've got stealth cams. And I've got 600 pictures each on the cameras per month for $8, which I thought was a pretty good deal. And you'll get a staggered like sample video sent to your phone of when your camera goes off. And if you like it, you have the option to download the full video, which is usually a 10-second spurt, and that costs 25 cents each. Not bad, but all right, let's get out there and charge up these cameras. If I see any tracks along the way, I'll show you what I find. See you in a bit. All right, already I'm finding some tracks. No human tracks, which are good, but check these out. This is right along the path line where I'm going. Pretty sure it's deer. Looks like something startled it because those spaced pretty far, like it was running right there. But some went right along the main path too. Right now we're at the top of a hill. The marshlands and everything where my cameras are down at the bottom. But so far, there's some activity up here. Food for thought. Yep. Keep going right down the main trail. I like to put the cameras on the trail itself because path of least resistance, even the animals like to go on the main trails. But more people, more chances my cameras are gonna get stolen. And I don't do it. But the snow is pretty deep. I'm probably walking in 8 inches of it. Very rarely I see wildlife when I'm out here, but a few times I've been able to walk up within like probably 15 feet of a couple of deer, which is pretty cool. Oh, just found where the deer went to the bathroom. And then, oh, all right. It came down the hill right here, went to the bathroom there, then he headed off that way. It's almost a shortcut to where I'm going to be going, but I'm going to continue this way. It's one good thing about the GPS that I have on my trail cam app. It's almost impossible to get lost. You appear as a little blue dot on the app, and it leads you right to your cameras. So as long as you have signal and your battery doesn't die, it'll take me right back to my truck. It's pretty cool. All right, we're almost there. Here's a pretty cool find. The wind must have been howling in here during the snowstorm. We got a tree right here. all the way up it on just one side. And that's pretty thick right there. So that wind was blowing wicked. I don't like being in the woods with severe howling wind. Trees coming down, branches. Gotta be careful. All right, I'm approaching my first camera. I think this is the one that went off this morning. So far up here on this side, there's nothing but my tracks. We do have a couple right here. We have a lot of activity right here. Something ripped that up. And they're all walking around here. They ripped some stuff up over there. Yeah, oh, right there, they went to town. So there. But my camera is right there. And actually, here's the trail from when it went down. I should have had it aimed towards the marshland. And then it left over here behind my camera. So that's telling me to aim my camera down more towards the marshland where the grasses are. I don't see any activity up here. So I'm gonna put some batteries in this camera, move it a little bit, and go check out the other one. Like I said, stay tuned. I'll download all these videos that I just got and add them into the end of this episode. So stay tuned for that. It is stinking cold out, but let's get her done. All right, got a full pack, Energizer Max. I put in my camera, hooking it up to this tree. I'm gonna be aiming it that way. That's where all the activity was. All right, got it hooked up there. Batteries are in. Aiming off there. We're gonna set it and go check out the other one. Okay, what I've done, I got one camera here. They're real close to each other. I got one right here. My other one is on that far tree right back there. So I've got this camera aiming off at this angle. I've got the other camera basically aiming off at that angle, because this is where the most activity is. All right, everyone, I got my trail camera set up. It is stinking cold. I'm getting out of here. I'll be downloading the videos and putting them up right after this. Hopefully everything goes well. We'll check out and see what I got. If you like trail cams and you like animal videos, some outdoor adventures, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time on the New Hampshire Great Outdoors.
Go ahead, touch it.
Go ahead, try. Go ahead, try. See what happens.
You're wishing it would hit me right now.
Yeah, I am.
Get him!
Yeah, get him!
Yes.
Get him! Get him!